We shall now look at the questions to the passage. Question 1. What time did Paul leave for his friend's house? What time did Paul leave for his friend's house? Can you remember? If you can't, let's take a look at the passage. The sun beats down mercilessly at 9. Now, in our clock, there are two 9 o'clocks. One will be 9 a.m. and the other one will be 9 p.m. Tell me, which is the one with the sun beating down? 9 a.m. or 9 p.m.? Of course, it's 9 in the morning. We want to be very specific, and we want to answer it like this. It was 9 in the morning. Let's look at question number 2. What did Paul discover when he was locking his gate? Do you remember? Let's see. Second paragraph. From the corner of his eye, he noticed a suspicious-looking man in his neighbor's compound. So what did he notice? He noticed a man breaking into his neighbor's house. Now please be very careful about lifting. You could have lifted word for word about what he noticed, but this is not going to help you score points. Let's look at number 3. What do you think the bag contains? Now, in the passage, it does not tell very clearly what the bag contains. This is the kind of higher order questions that we are looking at. You will have to deduce from the passage. The passage does not have explicit answer, and you have to think about it, drawing experiences from what you read. So what do you think? Well, I guess since the man was trying to break into the house is so suspicious, I think he's possibly a thief or a burglar. Now, what will burglars bring along with them? Food? I don't think so. Let's see. It contains loot stolen from Paul's neighbor. What is the meaning of this word loot? Well, it means stolen goods. It can come in the form of jewelry, money, or things. So long as it is stolen, it is called loot. Sometimes bandits will share their loot. You know what I mean? Let's look at question 4. Why do you think Paul unleashed his dog? Again, this is a higher order question, which means to say that you can't find the answer anywhere written explicitly. You have to deduce from the passage. What did the dog do after it was unleashed? That's right. Chased the man, right? Let's see my answer. This is so that the dog can give chase if the need arises. A lot of students like to copy the question all over again in their answer. They answer something like that. Paul unleashed his dog so that the dog can give chase if the need arises. Now remember, the more you write, the higher chances of making mistakes. So, keep it simple and sweet. This is so that. That is sufficient. Let's look at question 5. Why did the policeman praise Paul? Do you think this is a higher order thinking question? That's right, it is. So why do you think the policeman praised Paul? Of course, it's for something that he did, and it can't possibly be for something bad he did. It has to be something good. Paul was brave and quick to react and helped to nab the burglar. That is important. Number 1, he is brave. Number 2, he reacts very quickly. Remember how he ducked into the house again to get his dog and to call the police? Yes. He is very good in his reaction, and he played a big part in nabbing the burglar. That's why the policeman praised him. Notice I did not say the policeman praised Paul because Paul was brave and quick to react and help to nab the thief or the burglar. There is no necessity at all to recopy the questions. Just answer directly. I hope you have learned from this paper.